Hi, I'm Dr. Robert Sulligan. I've been in private practice going on my 15th year, and what I've seen is an alarming epidemic of what I call hormonal problems. Most commonly what I see is subclinical hypothyroidism. The reason why I say subclinical is because it's not truly being diagnosed properly according to standard medical protocol. They're just not doing an adequate job of really diagnosing thyroid problems appropriately. So the first thing I'm going to assess my patients is just the basic common symptoms. And common symptoms is, the most common one is fatigue. I have my patients going to bed tired, awakening fatigued. So that's one of the most common symptoms that I'm seeing, as well as digestion, constipation. I'm seeing thinning hair, loss of eyebrows. I'm seeing a lot of my memory. Hey doc, I can't remember this, I can't remember that. I'm seeing a lot of brain fog, memory stuff. So the thyroid has such a huge impact on every cell in our body, and it's showing up in our digestion, in our mind, and our ability to regulate our temperature. So when I see cold hands, cold feet, sweaty hands, sweaty feet, that's clinically diagnostic of thyroid condition. Now, when I suspect a thyroid problem, I have to run you through a better assessment of diagnostic lab tests. So it's not just going to be TSH, thyroid stimulating hormone, because that's the standard protocol used today in medical protocol. I want to look at the most important marker, which is T3. T3 is the active form of thyroxine. T3 is what gets into the cell and tells the RNA and DNA what to do. So that's critical. We'll also look at T4, reverse T3, the thyroid antibodies, and we also have to assess the adrenals, because we don't know if we have an adrenal problem or a thyroid problem, because they're so interrelated. And that will be an ASI test, adrenal stress index, to look at cortisol. We absolutely have to see how the blood sugar, glucose, and insulin are interplaying in this whole picture, as well as the hormones. The hormones are key, all the steroid hormones. So the hormones are all conjugated in the liver, so we're gonna have to look at the liver function. The liver makes tyrosine. Tyrosine is an amino acid that is made with iron and phenylalanine that makes your tyrosine. Tyrosine is what makes our thyroxine, it makes our adrenaline, it makes our progesterone. Our progesterone will then go on to make all our other steroid hormones. We'll look at all the steroid hormones, because that is critical in this whole picture. Now, another important thing is our gut function. 90% of all hypothyroidism is an autoimmune condition, according to the Journal of Metabolic and Endocrine Disorders. They're telling us that 90% of all our hypothyroid diagnoses is autoimmune, meaning our own immune system is attacking our thyroid. If we're plagued with chronic infections such as parasites and candida and liver flukes and H. pylori, that's going to slam our immune system into oblivion, and so we have to address the gut function. I am going to take my patients through my physical exam, and that's what I'll be discussing in my next video. Thank you.